Hello everyone, I'm Kero Sridikshita. Today I'm going to discuss the project I had done in my full stack web development. So this is the final application we had done, and the project is about the sports scheduler. So this is about how the schedule of the sports. This is as same as this to-do list. In to-do list we see that what are the deadline, what are the submissions we had to do, what are the list, what are the to-dos we had to do. So same as in sports scheduler, we have that what are the sessions we had created, what are the sessions we have to attend, what are the sessions are to be at the date, what sessions are there in the date, what sessions we had created, what sessions are deleted, etc. So this is a node application. So this is the node.js application which I had created, express.js and EJS files, and I had used the databases as PostgreSQL. So I did this project with the use of the database as PostgreSQL. So now let comes to that. In node modules, it shows that the modules that I had used in this project, the node modules I had used. And in public, this is the connection to the Express.js and home files. That is what and this is the CSS of the project. I mean CSS of the EJS file, and this is the sports icon that shows in the web application. So in views, so the views contains the EJS files. The EJS files are I had got as about us, admin, admin dashboard, home, login, player dashboard, register, and reports. Now gitignore is used to connect the node modules file. So in gitignore, we just give the name of the module. So in database.js, this is how we connect the database to our PostgreSQL. So this is how about it. In package it shows that what are the JSON file and what are the dependencies in it in server.js. So server.js is used to connect all the EJS files, and we can see that what are the hosts that we used in this. What is the local host number we had used there. We can use it in the server.js. First, let me explain the server.js file. So this is the server.js file. In server.js file, first we have to import the modules that we require in the project. So as I told you, we have the express sessions and express and bscript.js. Bscript.js is used to authentication of the passwords and the database. The database is used to connect to it, and we had these are all the modules that we had created as long as. So in const app, so app equal to expressof. So we connected that the function is applied to the app. So using app.user, we can collect that express the static is available and what are the sessions, what are the secret in it. So we set this app to the view engines to the EJS files. So function is authentication, is it is authenticated or not. And we have another function which is prevent joining past sessions. So the past sessions that are already available. So the date is current date is less than previous date. That is current date is so the session that is going to be held. So let me see that the session is going to be held in 2024. The 2024 is already completed. So it shows that the error. And so we cannot join in the prevent already completed sessions. So app-get is used for the home page. So we can render the home page in this and we can render the home page to login. So in login we have select what are the mails, what are the passwords are there. It shows the length of the project, etc. And in register we directly go to the in home page we have the navigation bar. So it shows that we can either register or login, and it shows what is the about the sports scheduler. So in admin dashboard. So admin dashboard, we have two types of roles in this. Either we can join as the admin or a player. So if we join the admin, there are some different rules. If we join as a player, there are some different rules. So In admin, we can create the sessions, join the sessions, and create the sports also. But in players, we just log in and create sessions. So this is the difference between the player dashboard and the admin dashboard. So in player, as in admin dashboard, we can delete the session. So this is how it. So as far as I discussed about the player dashboard also, now let's see that this is the rendering of the file. This is the rendering of the created sessions. What are the sessions that are we had created? As far as redirecting to the admin dashboard or the player dashboard, we can direct to either of these dashboards. We can cancel this and we can delete the session. And about this is about the project that about the sports scheduler and app.listen of 3000. So the local host is running at the server of localhost 3000. Now let me explain the database.js file. So this is the database.js file. So in database.js, we have to first import the module, PG module. Then we have five attributes, and the attributes are user. What is the name of the user? What is the host name? What is the database that we had created that we can connect to this project? And what is the password? So the password is not the password that of your PC or computer. It is the password that we had created at the time of the installation of PSQL and the port number. So where the PSQL is running, way in which port that is running. If we connect it to the pool correctly, then it shows PostgreSQL is connected. If it catches any error, then it shows error connecting to PostgreSQL. So this is the database.js file. And styles.css is applicable to all EJS file except the home page. So the style is common for the every EJS file except for the home page. So let's come to home page. This is the home page. So it shows that the home page is connected to the home.css. So other than home.js file, all files are connected to styles. So in home, we have the navigation bar. The navigation bar consists of the register, login, about us. And we have a container. The container consists of list of elements that what is about it, what is the project is about it. So first we had used that the header. So class variable as welcome to the sports, and then we have list of features. What are the features in it? That is team management and schedule management, player registration, statistics and reports, notification and alters. What is the administration panel, etc. And we had a footer also. The footer is the rights it had reserved. So now coming to the register.ejs. So register.ejs is registering as either the player as an admin. So in this register.js file, first we have to give the name, email, and our the password. So after giving this, we have to select the role. What is our role? We are joining either admin or as player. So once we had done it, we have to go to either login or directly login, or we can go to home page and login. So in login we can only give the two details, either as email and password. So based on this, it selects to the player dashboard as admin dashboard. If you registered as admin, then it goes to the admin dashboard. If you joined as player, then it goes to the player dashboard. Now coming to about us EJS file is this is the about us dot EJS is about the project, that is about the sports scheduler. What is its intro? What is the use of this? What are the features it contains? What are the players for administrations? What are their So for administrations, they can create and manage create sports and manage sessions, view reports on sessions. So for players, they can create or join sessions, view sessions they had joined, cancel the session with. You can cancel the session also in this. And what is the mission? Our mission is to provide easy to use. So what is a contact? This is all about it. So now coming to the admin dashboard. So in admin dashboard, we go to the we have container dashboard in which we can create a sport. So as an admin we can create the sport and what are all the sessions are available. If we had already created any sessions, then it shows what are the sessions that are available. We can delete the sessions with any, and we can also join the sessions, and we can create a session also. The creator session consists of the team 1, team 2, what is the any additional players, what is the role in it, what is the time, what is the date, what is the where is the venue, and we can submit. Then it creates the session. So the admin dashboard is connected to the reports.js file. So in reports.js file, it goes to the space. In once we click on it, the link is automatically open to the reports.js file and it shows a table. It is a table bar. So let me discuss it. So in player dashboard, once we had logged as a player, we have shows that what are the joined sessions, what sessions we had joined, what are the we can also cancel the session, we can join the session, what are the sessions cancelled, what is the session created. So when creating a session, so we can see only the sports, we can join the only sports that are created by the admin, we cannot create any new sports. So this is the about the player dashboard in reports.ejs. In reports.ejs, this is a table bar that is connected to the admin dashboard. So whenever the admin creates a session, it shows the table. So when the admin click on the reports, then it shows that what is the date, venue, what is the team, what are the teams that are participating, what is the date, where is that available, etc. So it shows the sports popularity, number of sessions, sport name, and count also. This is the register reports.js. So before connecting to anything, first we have to connect to the PostgreSQL. So connecting to the PostgreSQL, let's go to the so in the PC go to C drive. In C drive go to for program files. In program files go to PostgreSQL. So the PostgreSQL is in the server of 17. So click on the bin. So in address part, enter cmd. Once it is open, run the command. So we have to give the password. So the password is the we had given in the database. That is the password that we had created at the time of the installation. So we can create the database here. So but my database name is sport management. Let's connect this sport management to the project. So the database name is wrong. So once we give the correct database name, then it is automatically connected. Now go to the file and go to the server.js file. So this is the server.js file. Go to terminal, click on new terminal. So first go to the folder that we have in the server.js. So now run server.js. So we can see that the node server is already running. First we have to kill that. So before killing it, we have to run the command. Wait, let me check what is the PID of this. So now on net start, we can find the 3000, the PID is given. Now we have to kill this process by the PID. So once we run the node server.js file, click on that. So this is the project about us, and this is about the project is running. So register. So my role is admin and clicking on the register. Now once we had it shows this. So these are the sports that are already created by the other admins. Now I'm creating another sport name. So see, we had created another sport name. We can delete this session. So this is created by some other one, and we can delete this session. And we can create a new session also in drop down menu. So I'm creating the session for sport. If we give this, so 2025 is already completed. So if we give that, so if we create a session, then it doesn't create any specific sessions. This session is created. We can see the reports. So these are the pre-reports we had done. Now let's go to the, we can log out and we can log in directly, and we can also register as a player. Sorry, this is not working due to net. So we can't create it. So we got the error as the 312 ml already exists. Now let me run this project. again. And so now I'm going to register as the, so if whenever we created with the already existing mail, it shows the error. So it is connected to the session. So we can join this session already. The available session it shows. So we can join any sessions in there. So I'm going to join these sessions. And I can also put scheduler. I can also schedule or create a session based on it. So let me remind you later. So this is how it works. See, as already it is created. So I told you already that the session which is created and it is out of time. So 2024 is out of time. So we cannot join the sessions. So this is what we can see, and we can also create a session here. So now let's see how it works. Go to the program file I had already told you. Now go to the PG admin. In PG admin first we have to check what are the tables previously I had not shown. We can see that what are the tables available here. So let me show you. So these are the four tables we had created, and as long as now we can see what are the users available here. So these are the users, and we can also see what are the sports that are available. So these are the sports that are available. What are the sessions are there? And we can also see the what are the sessions. Sorry. So these are the players, session players. So this is how it works. So the session joined by the player, then it shows that who are, what are the time, what is the player ID, and who are going to join, who joined at the session. So session players is about who joined at the session. So this is all about the project. Thank you.